Hey everybody, it's Jared. We are vlogging from our vehicle right now. Me and my little puppy. I don't know if you can see the puppy. This is Miss Sugar. She doesn't know what's going on, but hi, Sugar. But we're at the vet today. Her first puppy shots. So she was nervous all the way down here, coming to the vet. First time in a vehicle. She has not left our house, so it was a lot of whimpering and whining on the way down. But she didn't know. We are actually using Texas Coroner Animal Hospital. I think this is Portage, but we are waiting to get called in, and then they'll be doing her puppy shots. And so I'll let you know how everything goes when we're done. All right, happy Monday, everybody. So we took Miss Sugar to the vet, and after that, I came home and I did tons of cleaning. So I have not really been on to do any kind of vlogging or anything because I just busted my butt cleaning my kitchen and cleaning my dining room and just tidying up stuff. As we just recently moved into this house, if you're following along with me, and the house is still living in the 1978s, so we are trying to get things updated, and so a lot of times I'm working on stuff like that. But we're getting a new pantry here in about a couple weeks in the kitchen, so we're excited about that. To get started, and it's gonna be an open pantry concept with the counter on the side. It's gonna look pretty cool. Once it comes in, I'll vlog about it and show you guys, and you guys can let me know what you think. But I am paying somebody to come in and get it done, so our kitchen is a little bit more functionable and has more space, I guess, and storage. But anyways, so that's basically what I've been doing all afternoon. And then after I got done cleaning, my autistic daughter come home, and I've just been chilling with her because I'm a dad of 4, and so I just gotta hang out with the kid, or I hang out with the kids. I don't have to, but I hang out with the kids and just try to help them figure out what they have to do with their schoolwork and all that. But now it is 6:15 at night, and it's time for me to get a workout in. I just got to keep my health and fitness going because I'm the only one that can. Like, you are the only person that can take care of you. So we're going to get an agility workout in here soon. But I just want to tell you, we found out that the dog had a heart murmur. So we got to look into that and figure out what we are going to do from here. But other than that, she was in good health. So they told me I should go see a cardiologist, and just tons of stuff. So me and my wife are going to talk it over and figure out what we want to do from there. Tomorrow, I'm taking my other 2 dogs to the vet. Just because we moved into the new area, I'm trying to establish myself everywhere because we're going to be here for a while. So I had to get new vets, new dentist, because I'm just not going to travel an hour and a half away to go see the ones that we were using back there. So we're just trying to find new people in the area to take care of our health and fitness, or not health and fitness needs, excuse me, to take care of our health. I can take care of the fitness part, but anyways, so yeah, that's what pretty much the days are busy and just kind of all run together. But one thing that is important to me is getting my health and fitness taken care of, and that's why, with me being so busy, that's why I love to do what I do from home. And I'll show you a little bit of my gym. It's kind of messy, but you can make a gym up from home. I've got my weights all around here, probably from last time because I didn't really take care of them. That's a belly band over there. Got some resistance bands. Got a pull-up bar over there. That's what I tape everything off of. That step on there. Got me a comfort mat. Got me my my calendar that I follow, which tells me what workouts I got to do. So I wrote this in because I accidentally crossed it out over there. So agility today, and then I'm going to try to do 10-minute ab hammer. But what I'm doing every day, like hammer power, and then the next day is chisel balance in 10-minute. But I'm trying to do all these workouts within the day. It might take me a couple days to get through them all, but I am getting through them. And this is the most important thing, the Beachbody On Demand. This is my gym, my home gym. This will help you. These programs are awesome. You just gotta follow along to the best of your ability. And just go like this. Then I said I had agility today. Let's find the agility. 40 minutes. And there you go. Now you just have to get after it. So, but anyways, take care. God bless. If you guys are looking for a health coach, I'm very motivated. I would love to help you. I have a group on Facebook I can get you into, and you can stay accountable in there. You can learn about, I have how you can sign up for this. You can learn about what everybody's doing in there. And it's just fun. It's a group, no matter where you are in the United States. You can be in Canada, I think the UK, and just go along with us in this group. Just send me a friend request on Facebook. Let me know that you've seen this on YouTube or whatever, and that you want to connect with me, and then we can just get you into that group, and you can come be in there with us, and we can just keep each other accountable. It's just an online fitness, which is awesome, because your time is special to you, my time is special to me, and we just got, getting our workouts in, and we can high five each other, virtual high five or whatever, and just encourage each other. But anyways, I hope that you had an awesome Monday, and take care. God bless. Love you guys. Bye.